Hello guys, welcome to WebNet Tips. Today what I'll be showing you is how to use the Datepicker and the Timepicker from Materialize CSS into the React application. I've made some previous videos where I did show you how you can get Materialize CSS in our React application. We identified that there were two ways, the first being the CDN way and the second being the NPM way. With the NPM way, we saw that with Materialize CSS, when it is got from its repository, it will reside permanently within our React app. And in this tutorial, in the project, I've actually used the NPM way. So what am I going to be sharing with you guys? First, it will be how to initialize the Datepicker, how to initialize Timepicker, using ReactJs to initialize both these guys at the same time. And yes, when using ReactJs, you'll come across a gotcha, and for this we'll need this guy to go around this gotcha. Yeah, so I'll show you how to use it. The whole motivation for me creating this video for you guys, I found it very difficult when I was dealing with the component state in the React app to use the native date time picker from Materialize CSS. So I decided to share my experience with you guys, and I hope somebody will find it helpful out there. And while we look at how to place the selected date in the component state, we'll do the same for the selected timekeeper to be in the component state, right? I've gone ahead, created a React application. Okay, this is the application, and it's a to-do application. It's got these fields where you put in a task allocation and the start date, start time, and end date, end time. Yeah, so it will be something like clean the car, allocate it to whom, maybe to your wife, and start date, that date it shows on there, then time there, and how long will this take to do. Let's see, what start date was it? Maybe it might take the next day, 26th. Okay, and time, it might be a 24-hour job, like that. Then when you submit this, look, I'm able to pick up these from the state, yeah, from the component state. Yeah, and this is where I found this challenging, particularly on change. If you went on, like, put clean the car, then when this changes, to have that reflects in the component state, I found that very challenging with the native Materialize Datepicker. So like I've said, this has been my motivation to create this video. Okay, right. So in the meantime, I will end up here. You've seen what we're going to do, right? So if you follow along with me, okay,